This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall updates for your apps on your Android phone. So just go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down to Apps. Now under Apps, all we have to do is choose the app we want to uninstall the updates for. So let's go to Google Chrome. Tap this and go to the top right. You can see these three little dots. Select them. And when you do that, you can see Uninstall Updates. We can uninstall the updates. Replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. This affects all users on this device, including those with work profiles. Let's go to OK. So if you're having an issue with the app, you could try clearing out the data right there, or uninstalling the updates. So we can go to storage as well. And we can clear the data and clear the cache under here. Now we can go over to the Google Play Store. And there should be an update available for that now. Go to Manage Apps and Device. Go to Updates right here. And then check for updates for your specific apps if you want to update it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.